going to be done. Pepe Herrera, Pinagkagulahan, and Enrique. Hey! Hello everyone, please greet mo na po natin ang ating mga friends. Hello po sa... we have here Cameron, alright? Cameron, please greet everyone.
Enrique!
Let's go! Of course, ang pinaka-duck sa lahat, Nico na Dividan! Yes, nandito rin ang napakahusay, Pepe Herrera!
Hello everyone! I am not big work. Tomorrow na, please bring your friends. And if you like the video, share it to your friends. Post it on the comment. Let's have fun.
Of course, we have here one of the writers, Mr. Joel Labayan. Yes, and of course,
I hope everybody enjoyed this evening. Philippines tomorrow!
and of course, Cameron. At eto na nga, the king of the hill, ang nag-iisa, Pinagkagulahan, Enrique Hill!
Maraming salamat po sa nagpapalala. Mahal na kayo. Bukas na daw mapapwede na ang I-Love Big Word. Happy Valentine's everyone. I love you!
Yes! Mag-ingay for the Barkada! Yes, and I know you guys are excited, but Direk, hello! Pwede kami kaming chikahan ng mabilis na bakit namin dapat panoorin ang I-Love Big Word?
Why?
Okay, quiet na! Quiet!
Dapat nyo panoorin ang ayaw ng Big Bird kasi may malaki siyang pasado. Malaking tawanan sa sinina. It's the perfect film sa barkada sa may jowa. Even though walang jowa, perfect din siya kasi may jowa na ako ng pelikula. And Valentine's Day.
Yes, perfect for everyone. Congratulations, Direk. At ito gusto natin makachikahan, syempre, si Big Bird. Hello, Ken. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you so much.
Yes, gusto na namin malaman, sino ba si Big Bird?
Malalaman niyo bukas kung sino talaga si Big Bird, guys. Surprise sa lalabas ang bukas.
O si Luis Carpio? Sino ba si Luis?
Luis, hindi lang si Luis.
Okay, katahimikan muna po, mga kababayan. Go ahead.
Actually, simple ito kasi si Luis here. He believes in saving himself for marriage. At yun lang, I think naging busy lang siya with his love life at sa trabaho na medyo nag-lost in touch sila ng mga barkada niya. So parang to this Thailand trip, at makikita namin yung mga Thai actors natin, doon mag-rekindle yung relationship ng barkada. So parang talaga pang barkada po talaga itong pelikula.
Adventure, comedy.
Comedy na talaga,
Thriller.
sobrang comedy ko to. May thriller, may action, may konting love, baby.
Diyan naman kami excited sa love, baby, right? Ken, paano ka mag-celebrate na ng Valentine's Day tomorrow?
Kasama ko po yung mga fans ko bukas. Mga black skinnies na pupuntahan bukas. So, sana magkita-kita po tayo doon sa mga black skinnies bukas.
Sino yung mga black screening? Wow, thank you so much for your support. Maraming salamat. Alright, thank you and congratulations, Ken. Eto naman lang kung excited kayong mga chikahan. Nico Dax! Wait,
Birthday boy, birthday boy.
oh, the birthday boy. Okay na.
Pasensya na, agency kasi yan eh. Agency, tuloy mo yan.
Ibigay mo na kasi yung TF.
Mamaya yan.
Later ha, tatawagin ko ulit kita. Pero Nico, gusto ko lang malaman, bakit Nico Box ang tawag?
Malalaman niyo yan pag nanood kayo bukas. Makakakita kayo ng tutang walang tema.
So, bawal sa mall. Pero, kagaya na nasabi niya, kapag nanood kayo ng I Am Not Big Bird, makakakita kayo ng tutang walang tenga. Looking forward sa tumala yun. Pero yes, ikaw naman Nico, ano naman ang character mo dito sa I Am Not Big Bird?
I play the role part ng LGBT community. Best friend ko dito sila Enrique at saka si Red. So dito ikot yung story namin magkakaibigan na mag-adventure sa Thailand. So parang pinasyam na namin kayo sa Thailand.
Actually, just watching the trailer, di ba? Parang ibang feels like so refreshing na doon kayo naghahabulan sa Thailand, doon kayo nag-adventure, so congratulations. Congratulations, Nicky Guys. Excited ako doon sa kung ano man yan. Alright, of course we have here, Red Oliero.
Hello! Kamusta? Ano naman kayo tomorrow?
Yes, of course manonood kami Red. Pero yan as July.
Yes po.
Yes, sino naman si July?
Si July, bali kaming tatlo, yung characters namin magkakabarkada. Pero naging mas close ako kay Maki, kay Nico. Kasi yung character yun kay hindi na sumasama sa barkada namin masyado. Kasi sa jowa.
Okay.
Itong adventure na to, ito yung mag-rekit din sa amin.
I love that. And congratulations, Red. Kagaya na nasabi ko kanina, yung friends mo from Comedy Manila, it's just so, parang sobrang nakakatuwa lang dahil nabibigyan tayo ng mas marami pang platforms, di ba? Mga stand-up comedian. Finally conquering the big screen.
Tama, sobrang tama. So sana magkaroon pa ng mga ganitong klaseng production para magkaroon pa ng iba-ibang klaseng ways to do comedy sa Pilipinas.
Correct. At sobrang daming talented comedians ng Pilipinas. At isa ka na doon, Red, I am a fan. So thank you and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Alright, eto naman ang napakahusay. Ang paborito nating lahat, Pepe Herrera! Of course, sino ba naman ang hindi nagmamahal kay Pepe Herrera?
Yes, brother.
Yes, Pepe, ikaw naman. If I'm not mistaken, gumaganap ka sa Thai dito, tama ba?
Yes, yes.
So, kamusta? Ano ba ang character mo? Sino ka ba dito?
I portray a tour guide that also, I'm speaking English for our Thai.
Yes, for our Thai friends.
So I am impersonating. I am a con artist.
Oh!
You have to watch out for the reveal. How they discover that I'm just impersonating a Thai tour guide.
Okay, but the real fact is that you're just a con artist.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you're speaking English too. Very nice,
Thank you
huh?
so, of course, for our Thai friends, I am sorry okay, from the top. I'm just kidding. But yes, congratulations.
Salamat
For
po.
sure, another film na naman from Pepe Herrera na talagang we will all love dearly. So, thank you so much and congratulations. How are you planning to spend your Valentine's Day tomorrow?
Of course, with my wife and my kids. Wherever, whenever we go, just as long as we're together. That's Valentine's.
Okay. Pepe, ano naman yung big na may pagmamalaki mo? What's that big thing, that big blank that you are proud of?
Just one thing, big heart. The biggest heart that we can give, biggest love that we can give. And that's for today. And tomorrow, I am not Big Bird now showing nationwide. Woohoo!
I love it. Thank you so much, Pepe Herrera. And of course, yes, nandito ulit nagbabalik, Ashley Rivera. Hello, yes, once again, let's greet everyone. Dito
Yes,
sa
welcome
Salamo.
back to me. Nauna na po ako kanina. Excited ako but I'm here again. Yeah, so I'm not Big Bird ito na. Are you guys excited? Because I'm so excited!
Ikaw, Pep, Ashley, gumaganap ka as a Filipino dito sa I'm Not Big Bird.
Oh.
I'm hearing reactions. For the film lang. Okay. Alright.
Uy, huwag niyo ko i-bash. Bago lang tubig.
Hindi, mababait yan, di ba? Kinetics. Kaya, say tayo dyan. Again, thank you so much, Ashley Rivera. Now, we will have a photo op. So please, prepare your cameras. And for sure, yes po. Ayan. Okay, you have your microphone. Thank you so much. Photo op, come on! Once again, give it up for the cast of I Am Not Big Bird.